If pumping hurts, your nipples feel sore afterward, or you are getting less milk than expected, the problem might not be your milk supply. It could be your breast pump flange size. At Pump with Thilly, we want every pumping mom to know that the right flange fit can make a major difference in comfort, milk removal, and your overall pumping experience. A flange is the part of the breast pump that fits over your nipple and areola. Many pumps come with a standard size, but that does not mean it will fit everyone. Nipple size varies, and it can also change during your breastfeeding journey. A flange that is too small may rub against the sides of your nipple, cause swelling, blanching, pain, or make milk removal less effective. A flange that is too large can pull in too much of the areola, create unnecessary discomfort, and may also interfere with efficient milk removal. So how should a properly fitted flange feel? Your nipple should move freely inside the tunnel while pumping, with minimal rubbing. Only a small amount of areola should be drawn into the tunnel, and pumping should feel comfortable rather than painful. Your nipple should generally look normal after pumping, without significant swelling or discoloration. One important tip is to measure your nipple, not your entire areola. Measurement is usually best done when the nipple is at rest, and you may need to account for a little extra space depending on the pump manufacturer and your individual response. Flange sizing is not always one size fits all, so you may need to experiment carefully to find the most comfortable fit. Remember, bigger is not automatically better, and pain is not a sign that the pump is working effectively. If you continue experiencing pain, damaged nipples, persistent swelling, or difficulty removing milk even after adjusting your flange fit, consider speaking with an international board-certified lactation consultant or another qualified healthcare professional. The right flange should support comfortable, efficient pumping, not make you dread it. If you are troubleshooting your pump, start with flange fit. It could be one of the simplest changes that makes your pumping sessions feel completely different. For more practical breastfeeding and pumping guidance, subscribe to Pump with Thilly. We are here to help make your breastfeeding and pumping journey more comfortable, confident, and informed.